Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why regular car washes are crucial for protecting your paint. Are you neglecting your car's appearance? It might seem like a minor issue, but regular washes are crucial for protecting your vehicle's paint. Dirt, grime, and environmental factors can take a toll on your car's surface, leading to costly damage over time. In this video, we'll explore why routine car washes matter and how they help maintain your car's aesthetic appeal. You'll learn how simple cleaning habits can extend the life of your paint and save you money. Keeping your car looking great isn't just about pride, it's about protection. A little effort goes a long way in preserving its value and keeping it shining like new. Let's dive into the benefits and discover how you can keep your ride in top shape. Understanding car paint and its vulnerabilities. When it comes to our vehicles, the paint job is like the skin of a car. It protects the metal beneath and gives it a polished, attractive look. However, just like our skin, car paint can be damaged by various factors. Understanding how car paint is made and what can harm it is crucial for keeping your vehicle looking its best. Composition of car paint. Car paint isn't just a single layer of color, it's a complex system designed for durability and aesthetics. Typically, a car's paint job consists of several layers. E-coat, electrocoat. This is often the first layer applied during manufacturing. It provides a rust-resistant surface and ensures better adhesion for the subsequent layers. Base coat. This is the layer that gives your car its color. It contains pigments and provides the visual appeal of your vehicle. Clear coat. This top layer is transparent and acts like a shield. It protects the layers beneath it from environmental threats, scratches, and UV rays. Think of it as sunscreen for your car. Without it, the underlying paint would quickly fade and degrade. The clear coat plays a vital role in ensuring that your car retains its shine and color over time. It's essential to maintain and protect this layer, as it acts as the car's first line of defense. Environmental threats to car paint. Even with all these protective layers, car paint faces various threats from the environment. Here are some of the most damaging factors. UV rays. Just like our skin, car paint can suffer from sun exposure. UV rays can fade the color, making it look dull. Over time, this leads to oxidation, which damages the paint. Acid rain. Rain can be harmful when it contains pollutants. Acid rain can cause etching and discoloration on the paint surface, leading to a rough texture and damaged appearance. Bird droppings. While it may seem harmless, bird droppings are acidic. If not cleaned off quickly, they can degrade the clear coat, leaving permanent stains that can require professional treatment to remove. Road salt. For those living in colder climates, road salt used for ice control can be a hidden danger. It can lead to rust and corrosion if it sits on the paint for extended periods. Taking care of your car's paint requires more than just washing it now and then. By understanding its composition and the threats it faces, you can take steps to keep it in excellent condition. Regular washes can help remove contaminants and maintain that protective clear coat, ensuring your car always looks its best. Benefits of regular car washes. Regular car washes do more than just keep your vehicle looking clean. They provide crucial protection for your car's paint job, extending its life and enhancing its overall appeal. Let's take a closer look at the key benefits of maintaining a consistent car wash schedule. Removal of contaminants. Every time you drive, your car picks up dirt, grime, and various contaminants. These can include road salt and sand that can scratch the surface, bird droppings that contain acids harmful to paint, tree sap that can create sticky spots, If left on the surface, these contaminants can cause significant damage. Regular washing removes these damaging agents, helping to keep your paint intact. Think of washing your car as giving it a shield against harmful elements. A simple rinse can save you from costly repairs down the road. Preventing oxidation. Oxidation occurs when the paint on your car reacts with oxygen and moisture over time. This leads to fading, dullness, and can even make the paint chip or peel. The sun's ultraviolet rays speed up this process. By regularly washing your car, you're actively helping to prevent oxidation. Each wash helps remove dirt and debris that can trap moisture against the paint, leading to quicker deterioration. It's like giving your car a protective barrier against the sun and weather. When you take the time to wash your vehicle, you're not just cleaning it, you're extending its life. Enhancing appearance. A clean car looks good, and we all know that first impressions matter. When your vehicle shines, it not only turns heads but also boosts its resale value. A well-maintained exterior signals to potential buyers that the car has been taken care of. Consider these points about appearance. Fresh paint enhances color. Regular washes keep the paint vibrant. Clean surfaces reflect light better. A polished car stands out more on the road. Maintenance shows care. A pristine vehicle suggests it has been treated well in every aspect. The bottom line? Keeping your vehicle clean makes it look great and can lead to a better resale price. In a way, washing your car is an investment in its future. Who wouldn't want to see their ride looking fresh and new every time they step outside? We've covered why keeping your car clean is so important. Don't miss part 2, where we'll explore the best practices for washing your car and maintaining that shiny finish. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.